Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700. This is the modern cruiser, low seat height, only 28 inches, fuel injected twin cylinder 700, liquid cooled, electric start, beautiful metallic silver paint scheme. This bike is low, easy to ride, great for new riders, great for commuters. Thing gets about 60 miles per gallon, maybe better. Only 11,000 miles on this gorgeous CTX700N. Come on by and check it out. We have financing available. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.